I don't even have it on us.
We have a 2015 Dodge Journey. We went to the local Ollie's for some grocery shopping, and we came back. We realized that the car wouldn't start. The brake pedal seemed hard to push, and even though we pushed the start button, all the lights and everything came on like regular, but the car kept clicking like the battery was dead. So to override this problem, because that's a security problem is what that is, push the button to the back on the off button. Get out of the car.
It should be here.
It should be off right there. Get out of the car like such. Open your door.
Open my door.
Right.
Okay. So open your door.
So now they think that the car is back off. And it started over. Press the button 5 times.
Okay. No light should be on, all right? So no light should be on.
Well, that's why I'm not gonna come on.
Except this light.
When the key get in, I think that come on.
Okay.
Press this 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till it go back to run.
Now you see all the lights on.
Wait for the gauges to go over and come back and settle. Once the gauges have settled, you put your foot on the brake and you hold it for a short amount of time. It may take a while to crank up.
There it is. It crunk up.
But you may have to hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds.
Right. Is that it?
That's it.
So that's if you can't start your push to start. This is a 2015 Dodge Journey, and the brake is hard. That's a trick to I don't know, override it.
Security.
The security.